You're going to start by applying your skeleton stickers, starting at the throat and working your way down. You can take these off and replace them if you feel like the placement isn't correct. Now you're going to take your black makeup and you're going to go right over them. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to just color in the white parts where the bone should be. If you're not very artistic, this is the best kit for you because you won't really need to do that much. Now you peel off all your stickers. Now you have the perfect skeleton chest. Now for the skeleton makeup on the face, I like to start off by drawing out what I'm going to do with the black pencil. This way it helps you to not make as many mistakes. I'm making a very simplified skeleton today, so it's easier to follow. Now I've done the eyes and the nose. And now I'm going to work on the cheeks. In my opinion, this is probably the hardest part. So you're going to pretty much make two lines and then a C shape. Now we're ready to color it in with some white. I'm going to start painting that in. This makeup is no smudge, so it's not going to come off on your clothing. It's not going to come off when you eat. It's going to stay put pretty much all day. Definitely want to go over your lips with the white so that we block those out. Next, you're going to color in all your skeleton bones. Now I'm going to start filling in my black areas, starting at the eyes. Next, you're going to color in your sides. The nose, I'm going to color in using the pencil. It's just a little bit easier and more precise. I'm going to use the pencil to also make the teeth. Again, it's a lot more precise. I'm going to create some shadowing. Now your skeleton is complete. If you want to add a little bit more dimension, you could also go in there with some black eyeshadow to create more shadows.